Good morning, students. Today we are going to complete worksheet number 1 of page number 94. As we have completed unit 1 and 2, on that basis we are going to complete this worksheet today. Question 1. Give 2 examples of each. So here you are going to write 2 examples of each. What is the first one? Branchless trees. What do you mean by branchless? इसका मतलब वो trees जिनमें branches नहीं होते. Now what are they? One is coconut tree and the another one is palm tree. So you have to write here COCONUT, coconut. PALM, palm, coconut and palm. Number 2 is climbers. You have to write the names of 2 climbers. What to write here? P and grapevine. PEA, P. GRAPE, grape. VINE, vine, grapevine. Next you have crawling animals. Now what are crawling animals? Animals which do not run are called as crawling animals, like snake and earthworm. SNAKE, snake. EARTHWORM, earthworm, snake and earthworm. Next, number 4, insects. You have to write the names of 2 insects. Ant, bee. ANT, ant. BEEB, ant, bee. Next, thorny plants. Students, what is thorny plants? Plants having thorns. That is lemon plant and cactus. Lemon plant और cactus को क्या कहते हैं? Thorny plants. LEMON, lemon. PLANTS, plants, lemon plant. CACTUS, cactus, lemon plant and cactus. Next, come to question number 2. Tick the right word printed in bold. हमें correct answer को क्या करना है? Tick mark. Number 1. Rose or shoe flower has a sweet smell. किसको sweet smell होती है? Rose. क्या करना है अभी आपको? ऐसे टिक मार्क लगाना है रोज के ऊपर. नेक्स्ट, वी गेट एडिबल ऑयल फ्रॉम सनफ्लावर और कॉलीफ्लावर. हम किसका एडिबल ऑयल खाते हैं? सनफ्लावर. SUNFLOWER, सनफ्लावर. व्हाट टू डू? पुट अ टिक मार्क ओवर हियर. नंबर 3, ब्रिंजल और कैरेट इज यूज्ड टू प्रिपेयर सैलेड. सैलेड बनाने के लिए मम्मी क्या यूज़ करती है? ब्रिंजल या कैरेट्स? कैरेट. CARROT, कैरेट. पुट अ टिक मार्क ओवर हियर. नंबर 4, फॉक्स और फ्रॉग लिव्स ऑन लैंड एज वेल एज वाटर. फॉक्स लैंड और वाटर दोनों में रह सकता है क्या? नो. फ्रॉग कैन लिव ऑन बोथ लैंड एंड इन वाटर. यस. सो व्हाट टू डू? पुट अ टिक मार्क ओवर frog. Number 5, kite or kiwi cannot fly. Kite is a bird which looks like an eagle. So kite तो उड़ सकती है but kiwi no. So the correct answer is KIWI, kiwi. You have to put tick mark here. Okay. Next you have question number 3. Select suitable words from the box and fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash protect plants. एलिफेंट, फैल्कन, स्टेबल, स्नेक्स और थॉर्न्स. कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? थॉर्न्स. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट आंसर. THORNS, थॉर्न्स. नेक्स्ट, डैश्ड इज अ प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल. एलिफेंट, फैल्कन, स्टेबल और स्नेक. एलिफेंट. ELEPHANT, एलिफेंट. सो योर सेकेंड आंसर इज एलिफेंट. ओके. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 3, डैश्ड हैव नो लेग्स. फैल्कन, स्टेबल और स्नेक्स. किसके पैर नहीं होते? स्नेक्स. SNAKES, स्नेक्स. स्नेक्स हैव नो लेग्स. हॉर्सेस केप्ट इन अ. फैल्कन और स्टेबल. स्टेबल. हॉर्सेस को कहाँ रखते हैं? स्टेबल में. STABLE, स्टेबल. Now what's remaining here? Only one. Dashed is a bird of prey. Who it is? Falcon. 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 Falcon is a bird of prey. Let's read once again. Thorns protect plants. Elephant is a plant-eating animal. Snakes have no legs. Horses are kept in a stable. Falcon is a bird of prey. Next, question 4. Write T against true statements and F against false ones. So, जो correct statement है true statement, what to write? Capital T. And जो false statement है उसके आगे क्या लिखना है? Capital F. Number 1. A duck has webbed feet. Is it true or false? True. So you have to write it here. T. A grapevine is a tree. Grapevine is a tree. Tree है क्या? No. So your answer is false. The roots grow below the ground. Is it true or false? True. Roots कहाँ आते हैं? Below the ground. So you have to write T. The lily is called the king of flowers. So lily is the king of flowers. False. Answer is false. Almond is a juicy fruit. Is it true or false? False. What to write here? F. Okay. Come to next page, number 95. Page number 95. Question number 5. Match suitably. It means you have to match the pairs. Students, here three columns are given. Column A and column B. Here are questions and here are answer. You have to match with the correct one and write it here. The first column A, whale, frog, penguin, cactus, bean. Column B, thorny plant, flightless bird, climber, can live both on land and in water, and largest animal. Now whale is the largest water animal. So आप आंसर क्या लिखने वाले हो इधर? Largest water animal. LARGEST, largest. WATER, water. ANIMAL, animal. Next, frog. What frog can do? Frog can live both on land and in water. can. LIVE, live. BOTH, both. on. LAND, land. and. Can live both on land and in water. in WATER, water. Next, penguin. Now, what is the correct answer for penguin? Largest animal हो गया, can live both on land and in water. Is penguin a thorny plant, flightless bird or a climber? Answer is flightless bird. It means penguin cannot fly. Write it here. Number 3. FLIGHT, LESS, flightless. BIRD, bird. Flightless bird. Next, cactus. It is a thorny plant or a climber? Thorny plant. Right here. THORNY, thorny. PLANT, plant. Thorny plant. And the last one is bean. Bean is a climber. CLIMBER, climber. Okay students, you have to complete this worksheet, page number 94 and 95 in your workbook. Read and write correct. Okay, bye bye.